In this video, I'll be showing you how to translate phone calls on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So all you have to do is go into the phone app and select settings. Under settings, you want to go to AI call assistant and tap on that. And here you should see the AI call translator. So tap on that. And here, as you can see, it's going to translate phone calls in real time. So you need to tap on the AI call translator on the call interface to get a real-time translation. So to enable that, I'll simply toggle that on. And then I'll be able to select the call languages. So select the call or the language of the other person. And then I can also select my own language or the language I am speaking in. So for me, it's English. If the other person is speaking in, for example, French, I can select that and tap on OK. So if the language I want to translate from isn't here, simply tap on download more languages and it's going to be added here. Now you can select it from the list. So tap on OK. And then I can also tap on my voice, and it's also going to use or select the voice that you select is going to be the voice that is going to be heard by the other person. It can be either male or female. And then you can also use this slider to adjust the speech rate, whether you want it to speak faster or slower. So select the option that you want. And then you can also choose to toggle on this option to mute your voice and only hear the translated voice during that phone call. So you can also customize the for the other person. So you can select the other person's language as I just showed you, and here is where you can also download any other language that is not on the list. And you can also select the other person's voice or the voice I had. It can be either male or female, that is going to translate back to you, and you can also slow it down or fasten it up. So make those customizations, and then you can tap on this option to auto-update the data over all networks or only on Wi-Fi, or toggle this off to do it manually when you choose to. So once you enable all these options, once you receive a phone call, so let's do an example of a phone call. So with an incoming call like that one, once I tap on that and then see the AI call translator, I can tap on that, and then if, for example, the other person answers that, I answer that phone call and the other person starts speaking French. Bonjour. It's going to speak back to you the translation, and you're going to see it right there. Comment ça va? And the translation is going to take place in real time once you continue with your call. But that's basically how to translate phone calls on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.